Salamat daw. Can you count to 10 in Malagasy in less than 2 minutes? May mani something Malagasy now? Let's try. Repeat after me. Iray, ru, telo, efatra, dimy, enina, fito, valo, sivy, folo. I'll repeat. Iray, ru, telo, efatra, dimy, enina, fito, valo, sivy, folo. A quick tips here. So many of those numbers actually end with a O as a vowel. So you've got telo, you've got fito, you've got valo, 8, you've got folo, which is 10. So that's one way to remember. Now test yourself. Don't cheat. So what's this in Malagasy? Yes, ru. Okay. Din. How about this one? Val. One that is a bit tricky. In. All right. And now let's go fast. Iray, ru, telo, efatra, dimy, enina, fito, valo, sivy, folo. Vita. Or done. Everything is done. Follow for more. See ya. Bye.